So the entire day went out with the cleaning of this gearbox, and all the gears are brand new. Now I just heated the gearbox to install a brand new light just here, followed by this bearing, and I'm going to mix the epoxy. So kindly bear with me for that. So the both the bearings have been heated and installed, letting it to settle down. So once this settles and the epoxy glue takes its position and makes it hard, then tomorrow I'm going to start installing the assembling the gearbox in the morning, and simultaneously I'm going to work on the engine also. Now the day was hectic, it's been like straight non-stop, uh, 15, 16, 17 hours of no sleep. So straight I'm just going to take a break and then update it. Hey, so I am actually I've been fixing this gearbox since yesterday, and there's so many things, couple of issues which I had to face. There's so many things which are just like kind of not letting me, you know, think about and work on it. So what I did is I just changed the plan, and I heated the entire gearbox body yesterday night, installed the bearings for the cover and this, and now I'm going to get going with the installation part. I'm just trying to see how quick I can do the, so pretty much you can see this, all the things are brand new here except the body and the gear selector. Sorry, a little bit messy, but I'm like this business right now. I'm just carrying on with the installation process. Just gears. This is the one here. This is the one here. This is the The gearbox is done this morning, and there are some basic issues. Now, the point one is the bearing cover, the small bearing cover, main shot dust, and this this o-ring is not available. I went yesterday also out, and I went today, but for some reasons the shop was not open. So from where generally I pick the any size of o-rings, and my mallet is also broken, both the sides. So I am putting this work at halt right now. So tomorrow morning I'm stepping out by 11:30 or 12 and get a o-ring for this, and these two brand new bolts, because this is, I don't know, the size is off and this one is not fitting in properly. I Now the rest is the video, followed by this is the assembly line. So I am not going to take much time because it's a quite a long video. So I'm just putting it on a run so you will get a hang of how it worked out. So please continue watching it. Thank you.